Hi, I'm Dr. Behnam, board certified dermatologist, and I am one of the first pioneers who did stem cell hair restoration in the US, starting back in 2016. And today I'm going to show you guys another video of my before and after photos of a stem cell patient. So we have this patient. She is an older female who came in complaining that her part line was getting really wide. She had done PRP before with no success. So what I decided to do is basically to do a stem cell hair restoration. What we did was that we did a PRP, which is a 60 ml PRP, which means we drew 60 ml of blood out, which is a lot more than what other doctors do. And then we mixed it with umbilical cord stem cell, 30 million cells, and we numbed the area and then we injected the area. And this is a photo of 4 months later. So you can see that her part line was basically this long. This is 4 months later. That's where her part line is right now. A lot of those hairs that was there basically grew out. So what the stem cell does, it takes those miniaturized hair that you really cannot see with your eye and thickens them up. So this is a 4 months before and after photo of stem cell hair restoration using a 30 million umbilical cord stem cell. It is mixed with a 60 ml PRP, and it's really the injection technique that's really matters. Usually results of stem cells last about a year to a year and a half. Everyone's different and results vary. And that's it. Thank you so much for listening.